What's up, fellas? Alright, it's the time for the Bitcoin update. Now, I've been talking about Bitcoin since 2010. Maybe the first public was probably 11 or 12. Twitter, Facebook, etc. Traded that first 2013 bubble. Waited very patiently. Talked about it. Bottomed out. 200s. Started an uptrend. I had my first position. Didn't know if it was the bottom. Had another formation that I liked. I think it was in the 400 or something. It already doubled off the lows. More than doubled from the real lows. Started talking about Bitcoin some more. Nobody's interested in Bitcoin. Now all of a sudden, new all-time highs, just freaking shredding. And all of a sudden, all the people that I was DMing, Facebook messaging, trying to get my friends involved are hitting me up. Hey bro, what do you think about Bitcoin? Can I buy it now? That sound of silence is like, come on man. Why didn't you buy it way back when? I gave you 3 or 4 different strategies, you know, the buy and hold, the every time you get a paycheck, put some in. All sorts of different strategies, and now you're trying to say like, oh, let me get in now. Okay, this is how the madness of crowds works. This is how it works. Is Bitcoin still a long-term investment? Can you make money buying here? I believe so. However, buying right and sitting tight. There's something to be said about this. There's something to be said about not buying after a giant run-up. Did I sell? Did I put out a sell signal? No, I did not. I did put out like a 10% trim, which I have yet to do. It's something that, you know, when it's ripping straight up, you need to start thinking about it instead of getting euphoric, instead of spiking the football, as I like to say. Because it will come back and the football will bounce you right in the nuts if you're too excited, too euphoric. I mean, I'm sure there's people that are super leveraged. This is a teachable moment, I swear to God. There's the other type of person that I've been encountering, which is trying to trade the frickin' heck out of Bitcoin. They don't have a ton of experience trading, but they're like, oh, I'm gonna trade on the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And they're just chopping themselves up. Again, this is a teachable moment. When it went to all-time highs to 1300s, and then it came all the way down to like the high 8s, what did I say in my video? Go back, watch it. This is not me being, you know, I'm right all the time, because I'm fucking not. What this is about learning. Everyone can learn from this. If you were doubting Bitcoin all along, maybe you too can learn from it. Maybe you too can rethink things, okay? Your trust in the fiat. But basically, buy Bitcoin and chill as a strategy has worked. The position size is intact. I am putting out a trim 10% warning sign so that if inevitably we do have some more volatility on the downside as well as the upside, I can spike the football and I told you to sell. No, I'm just kidding. I can spike the football and I told you to sell. Liquidity, if you got better things to do with the money, if you want to lock it in, I personally am just getting myself prepared mentally to lock some in. It's kind of a hassle, to be honest. But I want to put that out there. My name is Travis Pavlik, at @tpavlik. I'm gonna give you the Snapchat. Should I give you the Snapchat? Probably not. I'm not gonna give you the Snapchat. Travis Pavlik on Instagram, @tpavlik on Twitter. Tenacious execution.